Going on, everyone? So today I was going to, I was thinking about trading in both accounts. So what I decided to do was trading in this Topstep account, and at the same time paper trade in my old account with Sierra chart, just to see if just to make sure I could do it, make sure I could trade in both accounts. So the first play I took, the the market moved a little too fast, so I couldn't trade in both. But then after that, everything was fine. So, but I had a little, I don't know, something was going on with TS Trader with their trading platform, and I had a lot of orders that got messed up. So I ended up in this combine account, I ended up losing $250. But it should have been a green day. But they were having issues, and it is what it is. Apparently, it was only for the paper trading accounts, according to the email they sent out. So anyway, so let's go over the trades I took today. All right, so right at the bell, I took this one short. It hit target in like a couple of minutes. So I was up, I was green, right away within like the first few minutes of the market. That one was good to go. So I got in, got out, and waited for the next trade. So then now here's where I started running into the issues. On the second one, I took this one long, right here at 950, and I guess they had an update this weekend in their platform where you can have the auto break evens. It's something I use a lot in the other platform in Sierra Trade, but today when they just added this to the TS Trader, and like right now I got it set to it'll go to break even as soon as I'm up like 25 ticks. But before I had it like 20. I remember setting it at 22 ticks, but for some reason when I looked at it today, it was at 20 ticks. But the problem that I ran into today was when I got in this trade right here, as soon as the price started moving up, it immediately went to break even. So like maybe like 5 or I don't know, I mean it was like less than 10 ticks. It already moved to break even and it stopped me out. And then the price, it went up. It would have hit my target and everything. So that was messed up. And but I wasn't tripping about it. So I just waited for the next one. Then I got a little too aggressive here. So I guess after 10, I took two trades here after 10. It was some very aggressive trades, but they didn't work out. I got stopped out. So that put me like at break even for the day. Those two with the one winner, the one target hit, a break even, and then 2 losses. I was pretty much at break even at that time. Then I took this one. There was 2 trades in here. It's only showing 1 on the 5-minute, but there were 2 trades. So I got stopped out here, and then I got back in once I saw it breaking this 5-minute candle here, and the same thing happened again with the break even thing. But at that time I was able to kind of manage the trade. I actually ended up over managing it because the stop didn't it didn't perform the way that it should have. Like it should have went up 25 ticks, and then the stop should have moved, and then with how choppy the price action was when I got in, it automatically went to break even as soon as the price started moving up. Then I just adjusted it to give me like 4 ticks, just in case I got stopped out or whatever. At least I would get 4 ticks off of it. So that's what happened there. So I made a little bit of those previous losses back, and then I got back in up here, and there was some news that came out at this time, so that's how the price. You see the price dropped off suddenly here. This happened like this. And this 1 minute, in this 5 minute candle, this whole move right here was a 1 minute. It's all happened in 1 minute. It chopped around for a bit and then it just dropped down and then started chopping around in here. And then I was, after talking to the support from Topstep and finding out that they were having order issues or issues with how orders were being executed, because I tried to actually get in right here. So then that's when I contacted their support, because it wouldn't let me get in. Like, I was trying to put an order in right here and the order kept getting rejected. Let's see, right here. So I kept getting this rejection. Like, it didn't make any sense because I haven't surpassed my my daily loss limit, and the price, everything was good. There was no reason the order should have been getting rejected. So I contacted the support, and then that's when I found out they were having some issues with the paper trading side of their platform. So I just didn't take any more orders, and I just figured, I let them fix whatever problem they were having, and I get back at it tomorrow. So yep, that was pretty much my day. And but in the over in Sierra chart, my paper trades in Sierra chart, I ended up green over there, green $100. But I was trading like really aggressive in that account, and then, or since there was no issues on this side, and it's paper money, so I was working on some things. So, but anyway, at the end of the day, I ended up with $100 in that paper trading account, and the only reason I was trading over there anyway was just to make sure I can trade in 2 accounts at once. So tomorrow I'll probably go back to trading my live account over there, and I'm kind of on the fence if I'm going to continue with Topstep, because these issues, almost makes it not worth it to me. I mean, it's common for platforms to have issues sometimes, or for brokers to have issues. Like, I've had a couple of issues with Thinkorswim, with TD Ameritrade, with data and stuff like that. But with Sierra Chart and the broker that I use for them, I haven't really had any issues at all with them. But I don't know. That's something I think about over the night. But anyway, that was pretty much my day, and I get back at it tomorrow. So see y'all tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment.